In this video, I'd like to walk you through CryptoEQ's 3 market signals designed for even the earliest of crypto beginners. Here on the home page, we have just a portion of the assets listed at CryptoEQ, with more and more being listed every month. In this video, I'll focus on Bitcoin at the top. So as you can see, we have the Bitcoin logo, name and ticker symbol, and then we get into CryptoEQ's 3 market signals, with the first being our trading or technical analysis, our ratings or fundamental analysis, and trending or sentiment analysis, as well as the real-time price action, the 24-hour price change, and a market cap indicator. So without even clicking anything, here on the home page, you can glean a lot of market information across the differing crypto assets, just by taking a look at their trading signals, their ratings, and whether or not they are currently trending. But for more information on Bitcoin, let's click into it. Clicking into Bitcoin, we can see a drop down with additional information. As noted here at the top, we are currently on the trading portal. Again, we have the real-time price action, but this time we have a market cap in a dollar-denominated amount. We have the 24-hour price change, the percentage away from its all-time high up or down, and the 24-hour trading volume. But even more exciting than all of that is CryptoEQ's interactive trading portal seen here below. Now if we start here on the left, we can see our slider that takes a look back at previous trading days. Currently it's set at the lowest period, 7 prior trading days. If we take a look at some of the Bitcoin indicators in the context of the prior 7 trading days, we can see that the volume is somewhere in the middle of the pack, while the price is as high as it's ever been over the last week. We've also included several momentum indicators here in this section for more advanced traders. However, fret not. If you don't know what these mean or how to utilize any of this information, all of this culminates into a simple buy, hold, or sell signal here on the right. Here at CryptoEQ, we've abstracted away all of the complexities of day trading into this simple, easy-to-use interface. All the user has to do is pick their asset, select their time horizon, and see whether or not their current crypto asset is currently overbought or oversold, allowing them to get greater entry and exit points into the market. Notice that if I change our time preference here on the left slider scale, all of the indicators in the middle will be affected, and so too will our trading signal on the very right. Moving to our 200-day trading window, you can see that Bitcoin is a strong sell.